Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi K70 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store. To do that, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. Now we have page 3, 2 visible games as Mobile Legends games or something like this. We need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And there we tap maybe page 16 and confirm all by understood and save. Or we can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. Our game will be visible, we can search it, find it and we can install it. See you soon, bye!